EOPS provides a wide variety of services to its program participants. The first is our counseling services. Each one of our students has their own specific EOPS counselor. Our counselors provide everything from academic, career and personal counseling services. The emphasis is focused mostly on the academic counseling. This is accomplished by the Student Education Plan. A student education plan is a visual roadmap on how to complete your major or academic goal. So a student will know right away how long it will take to accomplish their goal or major. Another service available to our students is priority registration. Our program participants get first choice when selecting their classes, because they get the opportunity to enroll in their classes before the general student population. These are just two of the services that EOPS provides to its program participants. Please feel free to scroll down and discover the other services that our program offers. Thank you.